get it. Okay, I've done a little prep work here. I got the Corsair out and I mounted the little bracket. It's actually really cool. It's magnetic. What you want to do is you're going to hook those two little things on the hooks there, and then this just sits on top of that, and it's magnet, so it's going to make it a lot easier when I go to set it on the CPU. Fan, it's all self-contained. Basically, I got it out of the package. It's got a little plastic cover for the thermal paste, which I'm not going to take it off till I get ready to mount it. Here's the fan that comes with it, which I went ahead and pre-read the instructions to understand exactly. It mounts up inside the case here, and then it's got long bolts that go through and mount to the radiator. So I'm going to go ahead and get this camera set up over here, kind of at a distance, and go through the process of mounting it. I just want to tighten it up. Simple. About as easy as mounting a fan. Overtime. We're mounted there. Now then we just take our, here the lines are a little bit stiff. This back here. Pull my protector off of that. And that just hooks around there. Tricky for this. That's just not bad. Flush, make sure I'm good hooked around them. Straighten it up a little bit. Okay. Go ahead and cinch it the rest of the way down. I'm going to say how tight to get them. I guess I'm just going to pretty much. It feels like they pretty much bottom out. Oh yeah. Well, I'd say we're mounted. Boy, folks, that was easy. There she is all mounted. There's the radiator. It fits really nice in this case. No problem there. I'm going to go ahead and put a fan up there. I do believe I didn't mount it before. I have a spare fan that came out of the back. I think I'll go ahead and mount it up there because it looks like I am going to have room for that. So that's good news. I'll go ahead and put it in right there. And that's pretty much it. I have two wires to hook up. I need to go double check. I believe the fan one hooks up to a case fan port on the motherboard, and I know it's real specific about you want to hook the CPU fan up to the pump. So those headers are on here. I need to look on the motherboard to find out exactly where those headers are, but get those two headers hooked up, and then that should be it. That's about the easiest water cooling system of course it's the first one I've used, but